applause for Christine Xiong and her band. So how you guys doing for us now? You guys are an amazing crowd. It's a pleasure to be here. This next song I'm gonna sing, I'm sure you all know it, and help me sing along with it. So this one's called Statue. Your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. So many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life. Why you take such a hold of me, girl, when I'm still trying to get my act right? What is the reason when you really could have had him that you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should have been a season, guess you could see I had potential. Do you know you're my miracle? I'm like a statue, stuck staring right at you. Got me frozen in my tracks, so amazed that you take me back. Each and every time our love collapse, statue, stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, every time I disappoint you, it's just cause I can't believe the truth. Beautiful, stuck like a statue. Don't wanna lose, you know. Stuck like a statue. Ask myself, why are you even with me? After all the things I put you through, why did you make your heart song with me? To keep living and I need you. But baby, your love is so warm, it makes my shield melt down. And every time I pull the war, you make me come around. What is the reason when you really could have had him that you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should have been a season, guess you could see I had potential. Do you know you're my miracle? So amazing you take me back. Each and every time our love collapses, statue, stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, every time it's just cause I can't believe the truth. So beautiful.